like that going like...
Hello, I don't know if you can see me or not, it's suddenly got really dark, but we are going to harvest the pumpkins. It doesn't look as dark to me as it does on the video camera. There is Emily. That's what we're going to put them in, but you can't see it because it's so dark. You got a torch maybe? Can't see anything. Let's go find a pumpkin then, Emily. Oh! There is one, Emily. Do you want to pick it up?
Don't we need tweezers?
No, you just pick it up.
Twist after you punch it until it breaks.
Punch it.
You twist it?
Twist it.
I've no idea.
Okay, should we get some scissors then? Okay, we should have got some scissors. I'll get scissors. We couldn't find the scissors, so we found a knife 'cause it's too dark in the shed.
Where do we cut it from here?
Yeah, so you don't cut the stalk. There we go. I'll have a knife. So you can see this is great quality footage. That's the first one. It's probably the biggest one as well. Are you putting that in the cart then? I don't know, I think so. I might leave them. So they're starting to turn orange, but I think they might be. Here's some more white ones here. Nice white though.
Can you help find? There's one up there. Green. With the wrong colour.
No, I'm still going to get them. I'm just letting them ripen it off.
Even the small one?
Yeah.
You get the small one first, it looks nice. Is it for me?
Yeah. That's it, most of them.
I want to do it like those professionals.
Okay.
My opinion changes. We shouldn't leave this like this.
Spiky, isn't it? That's how you use a knife.
Cut away from yourself.
Okay, you can do it towards myself.
Spiky. Right there.
Oh, look at that little twirly thing. I like the twirly thing. Not bad.
Thank you. Should we get that other one?
Oh my god, I think this is going to be a good video.
I know. Yeah, I'll get it.
Okay.
I'll get this one.
Don't cut the stalk. Don't cut that. Yeah. Yeah.
There you go.
I think it's still attached there.
Mum.
Oh no.
Yeah. Take it.
Thank you. You can put that in the...
It's got a worm in it.
In it or on it?
I don't know.
On it.
Yeah, can you like kind of write it up?
Yeah.
Thank you. My finger went right on that.
Put some spooky music over the... Oh god.
I'll hide the bush.
Yeah. Where's the end of it? Yeah, I don't know if that's a call yet, I know.
Please be no worm. Ow. Come here.
Yeah. Are you recording now? This is the pumpkin we just got.
Yeah, let me get a light.
There. Just need to wipe all that wood off. See, it's turning orange, right? There's a massive spider on it. Happy Halloween 2021! I think there's one more. Happy Halloween! There's one more here. not all like pumpkins, but they're definitely courgettes. I wonder if you could use them as pumpkins.
It doesn't actually look a bit like it.
Mm.
You could put it too.
Is it? Is that a joke?
Yeah, I can't see a thing.